Okay, Kia Stonic service reset. This is a 21 model page button. Just going to click that through to this page, and then you've got service intervals, so we're going to press in OK. I've already reset this one, but when you need to reset it, you're just going to hold down OK actually for quite a long time. Normally these Hyundais and Kias tell you what to do, but this one doesn't. Then you get to the screen and you just click for yes, and then it resets. Just normally they say hold OK for reset. This one doesn't say that, but you still just hold that down, and yeah, about however long that is, it's a reasonable amount of time. Hold it down and you'll get that next screen to ask if you want to reset. So that is service reset for a Kia Stonic 2021 model. Be same for like 22, 23, 2020.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.